Holy smokes. I had no idea that my stirring the pot trash talking video was going to get so many of you so up in arms. A lot of you folks need to lighten up a little bit and take a joke.
Relax, take it easy.
Trash talking is good for motorsports. It's good for anything that requires fan participation for success. No disrespect is meant to the competitors that race over there. I think anybody that promotes or competes in a motorsports event, we're all rowing the boat to make our industry work. But if we don't have rivalry, if we all have to kumbaya all the time to make things work, it's not going to be successful. So I apologize if my golfing, sporting, trash talking video made me come off like a condescending prick. It's far more of me talking trash to some people to get some shit stirred up. With some of the, there's a whole bunch of you that I want to clarify some stuff about things that a lot of people don't understand. There's a whole bunch of you that think that evidently you don't know the rules or processes at the no prep stuff, but you guys think that I can just bolt some big tires on the Shadow and go over there and race it. And that's simply not true. That car is not legal to race at a no prep race. It should not be legal to race at a no prep race. That's not the spirit of their rule package, and I don't think it should be. It's much more based around like the RVW cars that we started running, like the old Shadow and some of the steel body stuff, Tim Slavin's, like the steel body real cars, and I think that's a good thing. I do not own a legal no prep car. I wish that I did. So I can't simply just go show up. For me to go race over there is going to take a tremendous financial and time commitment. I don't have a lot of both of those. But there's also the fact that I have no assurance that they will allow me to compete. It doesn't matter what the racers say. It doesn't matter what you fans say. It matters what the powers that be that run that TV show say. There is no definitive process for how you can race for the money. It's a big deal for me to go build a car to go race over there. And not even be able to compete. It's happened before. So what I would like is a definitive process for racing for the money, for the big money. I'm not interested in going to run like the Friday night stuff. I want to go race for the money if we're going to go over there. Another thing is for the folks that say that I'm scared to like go race anything with wheels on it or an engine in it, obviously you guys haven't followed motorsports very long. I have raced on some of the raggediest surfaces and some of the biggest home-built pieces of junk. I have crashed, been on fire, been upside down. I have raced to the absolute limit of financial and physical ruin. I've given my life to this sport, and I love it. Definitely not scared of anything. But what I do need is, first of all, I apologize if I hurt anyone's feelings. I'm going to tone it down and make sure we all can get along. But what I would like is a definitive process of if a man wanted to throw his hat in the ring over there, because you guys keep paying a lot, and that's what I'm after. I'm fine to not be on the TV show. I don't care about any of that. I just want to go get all the money. So I want a definitive process of what it would take to enter there. And if I could maybe get something in writing from like a TV producer or something that says that like, if you're good enough, you can come run for the money, or you got to do this. You got to win 75 entry races, or you got to have some credentials to get in there.
Your papers are not in order.
They're in order. Look at them again.
No, they are not in order.
I don't know the secret squirrel handshake for getting on the No Prep TV show.
I'm gonna add a block. There's
Hello.
a block. There's a block. There's
Hello.
a block. Hello. What's gonna happen?
Ooh.
I have one more block. I have one more. One more. Whoa!
So if we could get that going, all of our fans that are supporting us, thank you. The ones that sent me 75 death threats today, please lighten up. I'm not a kid, and we'll keep on going down the road. I'm leaving in the morning to go to Minnesota to run NHRA, and I have 15 races in the next 16 weeks. So we'll be kind of busy, try to keep you guys updated if you guys are interested in what we're doing. We'll be running the Shadow some coming up. We got some Midwest stuff with the J&A car. and our fall's going to be exciting. Looking forward to some blower air coming in. We have had a hot, muggy, miserable summer, and looking forward to some actual speed and performance again. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.